Next point is body wall is body wall. Body wall is thick. Body wall is thick. All organisms, porifera to nematohelminthes, body wall is made up of cuticle or tegumen. So cuticle, porifera, body wall is made up of cuticle, and Coelenterata, cuticle and tegumen. In platyhelminthes also tegumen. Nematohelminthes, tegumen is present. So this tegumen is tight layer. The next body wall is only single body wall is present. Plasma membrane or body wall is present. So next porifera also diploblastic animals. Diploblastic means only body wall divided into only two layers is called as diploblastic animals, ectoderm and endoderm. In between two layers mesoglia is present. The next to Coelenterata also diploblastic animals. So the poriferans are diploblastic animals and also coelenterats are diploblastic animals. What is the difference between both? So in porifera, diploblastic animals, mesoglia is present. So these mesoglia is with non-cellular fluid-like structure is present. Next to Coelenterata. In Coelenterata, ectoderm and endoderm also present. So it's called as diploblastic animals. In between two layers, mesoglia is present. So these mesoglia is with cells. In this without cells. Next platyhelminthes and nematohelminthes. Platyhelminthes are triploblastic animals. And nematohelminthes also triploblastic animals. Next coelom. Coelom is absent. So no coelom, no body cavities occurs. Next porifera also absent. Next Coelenterata also absent. Coelom, body cavity is nil or absent. Next platyhelminthes or acoelomates and nematohelminthes or pseudocoelomates. Next sense organs. Sense organs in protozoa nil or absent. Sense organs are absent. Next in porifera also absent. In porifera sense organs also absent. Next Coelenterata. In Coelenterata also sense organs are absent. Then platyhelminthes. In platyhelminthes photoreceptors, photo and chemoreceptors are present. Photo and chemoreceptors are present in platyhelminthes. Next in nematohelminthes phasmids and aphids. Are occurs in nematohelminthes. Next digestion. In protozoa digestion is diffusion. Digestion done by diffusion, and also porifera also diffusion through body wall. Next Coelenterata also diffusion diffusion through body wall. Through body wall. In platyhelminthes, digestive system is incomplete. So incomplete digestive system is present. Mouth, pharynx, and blunt intestine is developed. Next, in Nemathelminthes, digestive system is developed. Digestive system is developed and straight digestive system is present. So digestive system means alimentary canal is formed. Then next, respiration. So respiration also in protozoa, respiration also diffusion through body wall. Porifera also diffusion, and platyhelminthes also diffusion, and Nemathelminthes also skin or gills. So respiration done by skin or gills. Respiration occurs in Nemathelminthes. Next to excretion. In protozoa, excretory system is absent. So digestion, respiration and excretion done by body wall or diffusion. And in this porifera also absent. Coelenterata also absent. Excretory system is absent. And platyhelminthes. In platyhelminthes, flame cells or protonephridia. Next, in this, nephridia. In Nemathelminthes, nephridia is useful for excretion. Next point is circulation. Circulatory system is absent in protozoa. Circulatory system is absent, and porifera also absent, and coelenterata absent, platyhelminthes absent, and Nemathelminthes closed circulation is occurs. Next to reproduction. Reproduction in protozoa, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction is occurs. Asexual reproduction, binary fusion and multiple fusion. And multiple fusion. And in sexual reproduction, syngamy and conjugation is occurs. Next, porifera also asexual and sexual reproduction is occurs. In coelenterata, asexual or sexual reproduction is occurs, and in platyhelminthes sexual reproduction occurs, and Nemathelminthes asexual or sexual reproduction is occurs. Fertilization is external fertilization. Fertilization done by outside of the body is called as external fertilization in protozoa. Next, in porifera also external fertilization is occurs, and coelenterata also external or internal fertilization is occurs. In platyhelminthes is external fertilization is occurs, and in Nemathelminthes also external fertilization is occurs. Next to development. So this development is direct development in protozoa. Direct development means direct offsprings are produced without larval forms. Then porifera. In porifera, larval forms are present, is called as indirect. Indirect development is occurs. So larva is amphiblastula or parenchyma. Amphiblastula or parenchyma. These two are larval forms in porifera. Next, in Coelenterata. In Coelenterata also direct development or indirect development is occurs. In indirect development, larval forms are produced. These larval forms are planula larva. Next, in Platyhelminthes. In Platyhelminthes, only indirect development is occurs. Indirect development, larval forms are produced. These larval forms are 5 types. In Platyhelminthes, 5 types of larval forms are present. So first, Miracidium, Sporocyst, Cercaria, Radia, and Metacercaria. So total 5 types of larval forms are occurs in Platyhelminthes: Miracidium, Sporocyst, Cercaria, Radia, and Metacercaria. These 5 larval forms are present in Platyhelminthes phylum. Next, in Nemathelminthes also indirect development or direct development is occurs. So these are comparison of protozoa to Nemathelminthes. So in this all phylums or regeneration is high.